This is Brandon's R32 GTI. It's got a build motor, flex fuel setup, 1500cc injectors, megasquirt MS3, and what's interesting are the twins, Borgwarner twins EFR that come in the full race twin turbo kit. As you can see, the car is very responsive and it still manages to pump almost 800 horsepower and almost 600 foot-pounds of torque. If you want to keep a set of twins on the car, this is definitely the kit if you want a set of twins. If you can afford it, of course. Going single would be a cheaper option and a simpler option because this kit has a lot of components. So if you are okay with that, then this is definitely the way to go. For more info, just visit our website.